Really, the success of Broadcom is largely attributed to the foundational research that was performed at UCLA. So that is so deeply intertwined with my entire career. And I've been incredibly fortunate to have seen an amazing amount of success over that career. Broadcom has become a wildly successful company. Went public in 1998 and just exploded in size. Today, over 15,000 employees in the company. And all of that success is attributable to my career as an electrical engineer, which was launched by my education at UCLA. Because Broadcom was so successful, when the company went public, my wife Susan and I were able to create a foundation that enabled us to give back and really say thank you for what has been created there. So we started the foundation in 1999 and began giving back, and in fact one of our largest initial gifts was back to UCLA to endow the School of Engineering, and it was named after me, which of course was an amazing honor. But we've done much, much more over the years through our foundation, and to me that is one of the most personally rewarding aspects of my career. I was very fortunate to have been at UCLA during the John Wooden era, which is legendary, of course, and I was there through all those championship years of the UCLA basketball team. In fact, their NCAA record of 88 straight games was right when I was a student, so it was an incredible experience. Students used to sleep in 2-3 nights outdoors in tents outside of Pauley Pavilion just to get tickets to the games. To me, that's one of the more memorable experiences of being a student. I also did extracurricular activities, largely around sports. I loved basketball, so I played pickup basketball in the men's gym. So I tried to stay physically fit, and then the rest of the time studying, because I had a full workload as an engineer. I was a member of Tau Beta Pi, which is the Engineering Honor Society. I was a member of the IEEE, which is the Professional Society for Electrical Engineers, and they had various activities for the students, so that was an interesting part of my undergraduate and graduate experience. Well, if I look at high school students and could give them a bit of advice, clearly preparing yourself for a college education is the most important thing you can do. The college experience, it's really a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. It prepares you for your career, and it's something you need to take very seriously. And if you're fortunate enough to be admitted by one of the great universities, such as UCLA, take advantage of that opportunity and work really hard to make that successful, because it will set you up for a career of success. Focus on your studies and get good grades, because your career will take off once you're firmly rooted in a good, solid educational career. Graduate students, since they've already picked their career and in their field of study, for them it's a matter of finishing up and getting into the workforce and setting themselves up for their career path that they want to take, which is largely based on what their graduate studies are all about. So for them, the best advice is make sure you do a very good job on diligencing the companies that you want to work for. Make sure you find a work environment. Ideally, even do some internships where you can try out various companies to see what the experience is like, and then find an opportunity, jump on it, and devote yourself to it, because you never know what can happen.